A few words about Sushumna Nadi, the energy, the central energy pathway, often mentioned in tantric texts and associated with the energy of awareness in its primordial state, which is neither masculine nor feminine, neither cooling nor heating, neither active nor passive. And this Sushumna can be translated as the sweetest state of mind that can be experienced when energy flows through this pathway. And this central channel teaching is one of the foundational teachings in Tantra, and many practices were done to trap prana in this central channel and experience that sweetest state of mind, free from suffering. If you want to try some of these techniques, please join my meditation series. Join the 30-day free trial at One Yoga Studio and check them out.